Hello student, today I will explain you practice set 39. First sum, Suresh and Ramesh together invested rupees 1,44,000 in the ratio 4:5 and bought a plot of land. After some years, they sold it at a profit of 20%. What is the profit each of them got? So together Ramesh and Suresh have invested how much rupees? 1,44,000. So let's start the sum solution. So total investment. How much total investment is? Rupees 1,44,000. Now, how much? What is the proportion of their investment is? 4:5. So the proportion of Suresh and Ramesh investment is 4:5. Now, let Suresh investment be 4x because they have given in the ratio, so we'll take it as 4x, and Ramesh investment be 5x. So together how much total investment is? How much? 1,44,000. So 4x plus 5x equal to 1,44,000. 4 plus 5 is how much? 9x equal to 1,44,000. So x will be 1,44,000 divided by 9. So when you divide, 9 ones are 9. Here 5 will be value, so 6,000. So x will be, you will get 16,000. Now, as we have to calculate Suresh investment, what is Suresh investment? Suresh investment is what? 4x. So 4 into 16,000. What is 4 into 16,000? That is rupees 64,000. So Suresh investment is how much? Rupees 64,000. What is Ramesh's investment? That is 5x. So 5 into 16,000. When you multiply 5 into 16,000, you will get rupees 80,000. Now we got the Suresh investment also we know, Ramesh investment also you know. If you add Suresh investment and Ramesh investment, you will get 1,44,000. Now, what is the profit? We will find out how much profit because they sold it at the profit of 20%. So they are getting how much profit? 20%. So we will calculate the profit now. Suresh profit. How much they are getting profit? 20%. 20% means 20 upon 100. And how much investment Suresh has done? 64,000. So 20 upon 100 into 64,000. So cancel 0, 0. So what is remaining? 20 into 640. So you will get rupees 12,800. Now we will calculate Ramesh profit. What is Ramesh profit? Again 20%, so 20 upon 100. How much investment Ramesh has made? 80,000. So cancel again 0, 0. So 20 into 800. So you will get rupees 16,000. So how much profit Suresh is getting? 12,800. And Ramesh how much profit is getting? 16,000. So let's write the answer. Suresh got a profit of rupees 12,800 and Ramesh got a profit of rupees 16,000. Second sum, Virat and Samrat together invested 50,000 and 1,20,000 rupees to start a business. So investment made by Virat is how much? 50,000 and investment made by Samrat is 1,20,000. But they got a loss. They suffered a loss of 20%. how much loss did each of them incur? So we have to calculate how much Virat is getting loss and Samrat has got loss. First we'll write investment made by Virat. What is investment made by Virat? That is 50,000. Investment made by Samrat. That is rupees 1,20,000. Now, they are getting a loss of 20%. So, we will calculate first loss of Virat, then we will calculate the loss of Samrat. So, loss incurred by Virat. How much percent they have got the loss? 20%. So 20% means 20 upon 100 into. What is the investment of Virat? 50,000. So we'll multiply by 50,000. 20 get cancelled. So what is that? 20 into 500. So you will get 10,000. So how much loss Virat is getting? That is 10,000. Now loss incurred by Samrat. Again, how much? 20%. So 20 upon 100. What is the investment of Samrat? 1,20,000. So let's cancel 20. So you get 20 into 1200. That is 24,000. So how much loss did the Samrat incur? That is 24,000. So answer will write Virat incurred a loss of rupees 10,000 and Samrat incurred a loss of rupees 24,000. Third sum, Shweta, Piyush and Nachiket together invested 80,000 rupees and started a business of selling sheets and towel from Solapur. Shweta's share of the capital was 30,000 rupees. So how much Shweta has invested? 30,000 rupees and Piyush 12,000. We don't know how much Nachiket has invested. But total investment is how much? 80,000. So we have to add 30,000 with this 12,000. When we subtract from 80,000, we will get Nachiket's investment. At the end of the year, they had made a profit of 24%. So profit is how much? 24%. What was Nachiket's investment and what was his share of the profit? So we want to find only profit of Nachiket. We no need to find the profit of Shweta and Piyush. Okay. Now, investment made by Shweta. Rupees, how much it is? 30,000. Investment made by Piyush. That is 12,000. Now we don't know what is Nachiket's investment. So we will write let investment made by Nachiket be rupees X. Now what is total investment? Total investment is rupees 80,000. So we will add, therefore we will add 30,000 plus 12,000 plus X equal to total how much? 80,000. 30,000 plus 12,000, that is 42,000 plus X equal to 80,000. Therefore X will be 80,000 minus 42,000. So how much you will get? 80 minus 42, that is 38,000. So what is Nachiket's investment? That is 38,000. So investment made by Nachiket is rupees 38,000. Now we want to find out how much profit did Nachiket have made. Now profit share by Nachiket. What is the profit that Nachiket is going to get? That is 24%. 24 upon 100 into what was his investment? 38,000. So both the zero you cancel. So 24 into 380. So you will get the answer 9120. That is 9,120. So what is the answer? Final answer? Investment made by Nachiket is rupees 38,000. And what was his share of profit? So profit share by Nachiket is rupees 9,120. For sum, A and B share a profit of 24,500 rupees in the proportion 3:7. So they are going to share the profit in the ratio of 3:7. Each of them gave 2% of his share of the profit. Whatever profit they are getting, they are going to share 2% to the Soldier Welfare Fund. So how much amount each of them have donated, we have to find. What was the actual amount given to the fund by each of them? So we have to calculate how much A has donated the money to the Soldier Welfare Fund and B has donated to the Soldiers Welfare Fund. We have to calculate this. So first write the profit proportion of A and B is how much? 3:7. Now let profit received by A be 3x. Profit received by B be 7x. So total profit, how much they are getting? 24,500. So we will calculate now how much profit A is getting and how much profit B is getting separately. For this we need to add 3x plus 7x equal to 24,500. 7 plus 3 is how much? 3 plus 7 is how much? 10x equal to 24,500. So x will be 24,500 upon 10. 110 get cancelled. So x equal to 22,450. Now we will calculate profit received by A. What is profit received by A? That is 3x. So 3 into 2,450. So how much rupees profit received by A is? 7,350. Now we have to calculate profit received by B. Profit received by B. What is profit received by B? That is 7x. So 7 into, what is the value of x? 2,450. So you need to multiply 7 into 2,450. So you will get rupees 17,150. Now we have calculated how much profit A has received, how much profit B has received. Now we have to find how much rupees they are donating it to the Soldiers Welfare Fund. So each of them are donating how much? 2%. So first now we will write amount shared by A. So how much they are sharing? 2%. So 2% means 2 upon 100. So A, how much profit he has received? 7,350. So we need to multiply 7,350. 1 0 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 1s are 2 4s are here 7. So you will get amount shared by A is how much rupees? 147. Now, amount shared by B. Again, how much? 2%. 2% means 2 upon 100. How much? What is the profit received by B? That is 17,150. We can cancel 0, 0. Again 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So 5 ones are 5. Here we will get 343. So amount shared by B will be how much? 343. So final answer. Therefore, A donated rupees 147 and B donated rupees 343 to the Soldier Welfare Fund. Fifth sum. Jaya, Seema, Nikhil and Nilesh put in all together 3,60,000 rupees to form a partnership with that investment, being in the proportion 3:4:7:6. What was Jaya's actual share in the capital? And they made a profit of 12%. How much profit did Nikhil make? Now here 4 of them have invested, but we have to calculate only the Jaya's capital. Means actual Jaya's investment, how much we have to calculate. And we have to calculate one more thing. How much profit did Nikhil make? So in order to calculate the profit of Nikhil make, first we have to find out what is the investment of Nikhil. Then we can calculate the profit, how much he had made, Nikhil has made. Okay. Now, so first we'll write the investment is in proportion 3:4:7:6. So the proportion is how much? 3:4:7:6. So now we'll write let Jaya's investment be 3x. So first Jaya, so Jaya's investment is 3x. Seema's investment be 4x. Next is Nikhil. So Nikhil's investment be 7x. And last is Nilesh. Nilesh's investment be how much? 6x. Total investment is how much? 3,60,000. So first we will calculate what is the value of x. So 3x, we will write first total investment. Total investment is how much? Rupees 3,60,000. Okay, so now 3x plus 4x plus 7x plus 6x equal to 3,60,000. Now you add everything. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. So 20x is 3,60,000. So x will be 3,60,000 divided by 20. 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 2 ones are 18,000. So x is how much? 18,000. Now we want to calculate. We no need to calculate all the 4 of their investment. We need to calculate only Jaya's investment. So what is Jaya's investment? That is 3x. So 3 into what is the value of x? 18,000. So 18 3s are how much? 54. Put 3 0. So Jaya's investment is how much? 54,000. We have calculated what? Jaya's investment. Now they made a profit of 12%. How much profit does Nikhil made? So first, in order to find the profit of Nikhil, I have to calculate the Nikhil's investment. So what is Nikhil's investment? Nikhil's investment. What is Nikhil's investment? 7x. 7x. So 7 into 18,000. X value is what? 18,000. So 7 into 18,000. So you will get 1,26,000. So investment made by Nikhil is how much? 1,26,000. 26,000. Now we want to find out what profit made by Nikhil. Profit made by Nikhil. What is the profit percent? That is 12%. So 12 upon 100 into what is Nikhil's investment? 1,26,000. So 0 get cancelled. So you will multiply 12 into 1,260. So when you will multiply this, we will get 15,120. So what is the profit made by Nikhil? 15,120. So the answer is Jaya's investment. What is Jaya's investment? Is rupees 54,000, and profit made by Nikhil is how much? Is rupees 15,120.